In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoom link in Skool event. By the end, you'll have a clean, one-click join experience for your members so no one has to hunt for meeting details again. Here's the plan. We'll create a new event inside your Skool calendar, paste your Zoom meeting URL into the location field, and save. That's it. I'll also share a few simple tips so your link works reliably every time. Start by opening Skool and heading to the calendar for your community. Look for the option to create a new event. When the event window opens, give your event a clear, recognizable title so members know exactly what it is. Choose the date and time that match your Zoom meeting. If you use a description area, you can add context like the agenda or who should attend, but keep the link steps separate. The most important part is the location field. Find the location field in the event form. This is where you'll paste your Zoom meeting URL. Have your Zoom link ready beforehand. Copy the full link from your Zoom meeting, then paste it directly into the location field. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS and that you've included the complete URL so it's clickable. If your Zoom settings include a passcode, use the link that already has the passcode embedded, so attendees don't need to enter it manually. A quick tip, avoid pasting the Zoom link only in the description. Skool treats the location field as the official join spot, which makes it more obvious for your attendees and helps prevent confusion. Another tip is to double check that you didn't accidentally add spaces or characters before or after the URL. A clean paste helps ensure the link opens correctly on desktop and mobile. Once the location field has your Zoom link, go ahead and save the event. After saving, your event will appear on the calendar with the Zoom link clearly visible in the details. Members can click that location link to join at the scheduled time with a single tap. If you want extra confidence, open the event you just created and click the link yourself to confirm it launches Zoom as expected. For smoother attendance, consider enabling Zoom's waiting room or passcode in your Zoom settings to control who enters. And if you host frequent sessions, keep your naming consistent so members instantly recognize recurring calls. That's all it takes. Create the event in Skool, paste your Zoom URL into the location field, and save. Simple, fast, and reliable.